In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to cash in with Gcash via PayPal. If you're trying to cash in from PayPal to Gcash and you keep getting an error or your balance isn't appearing, don't worry. This is a common issue and it's usually easy to fix. We'll refresh the connection between your accounts and then make a couple of quick checks on PayPal to make sure everything's good to go. Start by opening the Gcash app on your phone. From the home screen, tap on Profile. This is where you manage your account settings and connected services. Next, look for My Linked Accounts and open it. You'll see the services connected to Gcash listed here. Select PayPal. Inside the PayPal section, choose the option to unlink your PayPal account. Confirm when prompted. Unlinking doesn't close or delete any accounts. It simply removes the connection so we can set up a clean one. After the unlink is complete, stay in the same section and relink your PayPal again. Tap the option to link, sign in securely to your PayPal account when prompted, and grant the necessary permissions so Gcash can read your available balance. Make sure you sign in to the exact PayPal account you intend to use. Once you've relinked successfully, go back to the Gcash home screen and try the Cash In option. Choose PayPal and see if your available balance now appears. If it does, you're all set. Go ahead and complete your cash in as usual. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to check for any limitation on your PayPal account and confirm you're using the correct PayPal account that has a balance. Open PayPal and review any alerts or messages. If there's a limitation, you'll typically see it in your notifications or the resolution center, along with the steps to resolve it. Complete any required verification or documents there first, because a limited PayPal account won't allow transfers to Gcash. Also, double-check that the PayPal account you linked is the one with available funds. If you manage multiple PayPal accounts, it's easy to link the wrong one by mistake. Look at the available balance in PayPal to confirm there's enough to cash in. After clearing any limitations and confirming the correct account with balance is linked, go back to Gcash and try the cash in again. A fresh link plus a healthy PayPal account usually fixes the issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your cash in working smoothly.